minute. Stop the clock and try to wake up.
Good morning everybody. Welcome to a new day in my life vlog. I felt like vlogging today, so that's what I'm gonna do. It's a pretty average day in my life, but I've heard that you actually enjoy watching those, so I hope you do. Anyways, I wanted to start off by saying, for those of you who were wondering how the wet set held up that I did in Sunday's video, this is day 3. It is Tuesday now that I'm filming this. Very nicely. It is far from an authentic 40s hairstyle now, but I personally dare say this looks really pretty. So I'm very happy with that as well. I'm gonna see how long I can stretch this. I'm thinking I'm gonna have to wash my hair tomorrow probably, but the curls are still absolutely gorgeous, so that's definitely a bonus. It takes hours to do the wet set, but then it does look good for a while. Anyways, the plan for today, I'm just gonna stay home for most of the day, do some work behind the computer. I'm gonna have to write a blog post. Then in the afternoon I am going to Utrecht, actually to my old house, because for some reason some packages got delivered there. I've been sending my new address to all the PR companies and everything, but I think some of them didn't quite get the message yet, so I'm gonna have to pick up packages, which is really embarrassing, from the new tenants of my old house. But yeah, it is really nice that I get to go back to my old neighborhood because I freaking love that place. And I am waiting for a delivery. I just got an email that my new glasses should be delivered today, so I'm really excited about that. Although I know that it is just my luck that they will probably get delivered right the second I walk out the door to go to Utrecht. Let's make a cup of tea first, get behind the computer and start writing this blog post.
In the last minute, I told you everything I wanted to. Now you follow me and I follow you back home. So hold me again, that is all that I ask of you. You understand me more than I'll ever do. So restart this moment, it's all secondary thoughts. And I feel you're the only one. So I guess you are.
Alright, my blog post is done. Time to get some lunch. Oh my gosh, the fridge is so full. Look at that, guys. Stuffed. All the veggies. Okay, I prepared a salad for me and Robert this morning, so I'm gonna have that. And then maybe I can finally fit all the leftovers in there somehow. It's gonna take some rearranging. This is the same salad that I made in my last 2 What I Eat in a Day videos, I think. The marinated tempeh and the veggies. It's my go-to salad. Yummy! This day is turning out to be quite a bit more boring than I thought it would. I've just been sitting behind my computer researching the new GDPR rules that are going into effect in Europe pretty soon. I believe on the 25th. Yeah, complicated, like, legal stuff. I'm still waiting for my delivery man to deliver my glasses. I'm pretty sure he's gonna arrive just as I walk out the door, but yeah, I think I'm gonna have a little snack to hold me over. I still have a little bit of carrot cake left, which should do the trick. I'm gonna have some of that and then maybe some fruit with that. I have some strawberries in the fridge. I think I'm gonna have those.
In the last minute, stop the clock and try to wake up.
The expected delivery time for my package has gone and passed. The time I was hoping to leave to go to Utrecht has gone and passed. I'm giving him half an hour. If he's not here within half an hour, I'm leaving. I'll have to come back tomorrow. I'd love to go out and go for a walk, but I'm stuck inside waiting for the delivery guy. That's my life. It's been over half an hour. He's still not here. And I'm gonna have to go because I'll miss my train and I have to catch the 4 o'clock train, or like the train before 4 o'clock, to get my discount on the train tickets. Let's head into Utrecht.
Behind your eyelids, a dream was lost, lost again. In the last minute, I told you everything I wanted to, and now you follow me.
I decided to walk. Am I zoomed in? Not sure. Anyways, I decided to walk, and it's such a bittersweet feeling because on the one hand it feels like a warm bath coming back here and walking home the way I did like 100 times. On the other hand, it makes the reality of having made the decision to leave this place more real in a way, and it's really weird to walk home and not have it be my home. I'm kind of having mixed feelings here, guys, but the city is undeniably beautiful. Not much has changed, which I'm happy to report, and I'm almost there. Alright.
Yes, you are.
I took the long road through the park. I miss this place so much, guys. Look, the fountain's on. I have 2 of my 3 packages. One got delivered to the downstairs neighbor who wasn't home, so I couldn't pick that up, so I'm gonna have to come back here, which I honestly cannot say I mind. I really like coming back here, but it is awkward though. I feel bad, you know, for them having to hold my packages. Anyways, I am now walking back to the station again to go to my new home, my actual home. I remember in the week after I moved here, walking down this exact street. I moved here from Amsterdam. I walked down the street like next day after I moved here, I think, and I proclaimed loudly on Facebook that I am never ever ever moving back to Amsterdam. Yeah, look at me now. I made it home, guys, and this is the most ridiculous thing ever. I was walking towards my building and I literally saw the DHL bus driving away, and I was like, no! I missed him by like 10 seconds. And then I got home and he left the package in front of my front door, which I'm pretty sure he's not allowed to do. But I'm happy because now I have my glasses. Okay, I'm gonna unpack them and show you. Alright, here's the first pair. Oh my gosh. That is really cool. Those are really nice glasses. Okay, let me put these on. Oh my gosh, I really hope they suit me and they're not too small. There's my face. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm actually really nervous. Oh, yes! Oh my god, I love these. I'm sorry, I'm looking in the viewfinder. I was not expecting to like them this much. They are rose gold. Let's check out the other pair. So I got some sunglasses as well, prescription sunglasses. Oh, love them. So let's try these as well. I can see. They're not as cat eye-ish as I hoped these would be, but I really like them. I love the matte black. Cool. Oh, just because I know I'm gonna get questions about this now. These are from the brand Charlie Temple. It's a Dutch web store, not sponsored, wish it was, but yeah, I just ordered these because they're really inexpensive and I want to get like a bunch of glasses now that I can't really wear contacts anymore, at least for the time being, so I thought I would try some inexpensive ones and I do really like these, so yeah. I love these rose gold ones, they match my watch. Yes! Alright, enough playing with my glasses. I need to go make myself some food because it is 8:30. Robert's not home, he's having dinner with his parents today, so I'm here alone, which means I am going to conveniently heat up some of this weekend's gnocchi with grilled vegetables. This was amazing. I'm really excited to have it again. I'm just gonna microwave it, actually. I don't really use the microwave that much, but this is the perfect opportunity to do that. Let's go. Not really sure how a microwave works. I'm gonna try to do 3 minutes. If it explodes, I know it's been too long. Oh, by the way, I also got some new shoes while I was out in Utrecht. I don't know if you remember, I mentioned in my closet overhaul thingy, getting ready for spring and summer, that I wanted to replace these really old Primark, oh my gosh, look at that, shoes with some proper kind of like higher end-ish ones. So I got these Nikes just now. My first ever pair of proper sneakers. Yep, my first ever brand shoe as well, I think. Wow. But I thought these were nice and neutral and kind of acceptable for me to wear. So I'm just kind of trying to get a feel for them. Sorry, can you hear the rats squeaking in the background? They're having a little fight here. Boys! Hey! What's going on? Oh, poor thing. Little Patrick has an ear infection. So that's why his head is tilted to the side. But he's being treated for it. And it doesn't seem to bother him at all, which is great. Right, little guy? You are just fine, aren't you? And there's Dermot. Hey! Alright, their battle continues. And then we have little old Llewellyn over here, who's a proper elderly rat now. Aww, aren't you, little boy? Yes. Gnocchi! I know it doesn't look good, but I swear it's amazing. Would it even be me if I didn't forget to end the vlog at the end of the day? So here is editing Lucy from the future to thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed following me on a pretty random day in my life. I sure had fun taking you along with me. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe for loads more videos. There is another video here that you may also enjoy. You can go watch next. Right on top of the trash bag. Wow, that is very charming. Anyways, you can go watch that if you're interested. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!